Today's how-to video will show educators of all grade levels and subject areas how to use Newsela in the classroom. Newsela is a database of current event stories and text sets specifically made for classroom use. There are 4 main tabs teachers can use when deciding where to begin. The first tab is the Library tab. You can search by content area or by source type. As you can see, there's a wide variety of subjects such as science and religion and world and U.S. history. Let's explore the U.S. History Library as an example. You can continue to narrow down your content by selecting grade level, reading level, language, special features, content provider, and even format. Let's look for articles made for 11th to 12th graders with a reading skill of R6. I can see there are a lot of primary sources, which makes sense since these are most commonly analyzed at the higher grade levels. Simply click on the source you want to use and it will open the text. There are features such as assign to and hide from when you open the text. You can add your students and assign specific students certain articles and hide articles from other students. This is a great way to assign higher level reading to a certain group of students and a lower level reading to a different group of students. This ensures every student is assigned the appropriate reading level material. The next tab is News. These are current event stories that can be used across multiple subject areas. For example, you can assign current event reading in science class and have students present their research, or maybe you want your art students to receive some inspiration so you can go research some art-based articles. The next tab I want to cover today is text sets. These provide groups of texts that relate to each other and even provide a broad lesson outline. This is especially great for first-year teachers. You can easily share with colleagues or students and even copy it to your personal binder. If you want easy access to the text set of your choosing, you can simply save it and locate it under your account. The last tab I want to cover is the Binder tab. This is where you can see where you've assigned students and their progress. You can also see how far along they are in their reading summary. If you've been using this tool for multiple months or even years, you can easily filter to find the correct class. I hope this how-to video showed you all the aspects of Newsela and you hope to use it in your classroom.